how to make the 30 days reading challenge effectively and get the most out of it. Now, in case you don't know, we have started our 30 days reading challenge for all Jamb students. Now, 30 days reading challenge is an idea that I invented for anyone who really want to start their Jamb preparation in an high note and place themselves in an advantage position. So now I gave all the details concerning the 30 days reading challenge. It started on the second of January. We're going to run through 31st of January. We have two sessions in a day. It's going to be 4 hours every single day. Just 4 hours every single day. Now 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. is the first session of the day. Then 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. is the second session of the day. Every day repeatedly. Now, if you have not watched the first video on the 30 days reading challenge, this video I gave the advantage of taking part in this 30 days reading challenge. This video also gave what the blueprints, also gave the timetable, and also gave the rules guiding this 30 days reading challenge. Please kindly go check out this first video on the 30 days reading challenge, or watch that video, take down every single thing, and start putting everything to practice. Just especially if you want to start your preparation on time. Jamb exam is on the 4th, is on 18th. Yes, on the 18th of April to 28th of April. If you don't start your preparation on high notes, you are going to like score very low. There is no magic trick to success when it comes to Jamb examination. It is your deliberate preparation, deliberate effort, discipline, and everything that will make you to get the desired score you want to get. Do you understand? So in this video here, I want to show you, I want to give you 4 things on how you can make this challenge very effective for you and get the most out of it. It's very, very important because a lot of people have been asking me questions, right? So many people have been asking me questions, how they want to do it and the rest. So this is the reason why I'm making this second video. Please watch the end, take that every single thing, save this video if you want to save this video. So let's get into it. So now the first thing is what you need: extreme self-discipline. Look at something here. Taking part in 30 days read challenge is not an easy task. I'm telling you the truth, it's not an easy task. It's a work. It requires you to sacrifice every single thing. It requires you to discipline yourself to stop those things that you are doing previously, like be on social media all the time, discussing, watching movie, and yes. So you're going to require to sacrifice so many things and stay extremely self-disciplined. Another thing here is that it's not easy to wake up by 4 a.m. especially if you're the type that is not involved or that have not actually started reading in 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. It's not going to be easy. But this is where you need to use your willpower, your self-discipline, and yes. Look at something here. If you really say you want success in your Jamb 2025, then waking up by 4 a.m. should not be an issue for you. And no matter of fact, it's going to be a test. This is the first test to really show that you really want to score 350 or 300 and above. Do you understand? This is very, so if you cannot wake up by 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. to study, it clearly shows that you are not serious at the first place. Another thing here is that the first week is not going to be easy for you to wake up by 4 a.m. Now, if you should wake up by 4 a.m., then before you get to 6 a.m., you have already slept off. Do you understand? Do you know the reason why? Because you have tried to form a new habit. When you are forming an habit, at the initial time is very, very difficult. Like me, when I discovered that 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. is the most convenient time to study and the way my body works. Now, the first week I started reading, waking up by 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. is not that easy on a more serious note. But after the first week, second week, and third week, after 1 month, now it now become my second nature. I don't need an alarm clock. Now, if I should go to bed by 11 p.m., immediately get to 2 a.m., my body normally wakes me up. So I don't use an alarm clock. So you require great self-discipline. I have to impose that self-discipline to yourself. Do you understand? Number 2, you need 100% focus and concentration. Now, if you are reading, like if you are reading from 4 a.m. to 6 a.m., you need to stay. You need 100% attention, concentration. You need to put all your focus reading. That is when you need to put off all your phone and the rest, except you are using ebook or uh, or PDF to study. Now, when you are using PDF or ebook to study, put your phone on no disturb or flight mode. You don't want anybody to be disturbing you. If you are in a noisy environment or you are in a place where there's disturb, kindly remove yourself from there. Look for a quiet place. You don't want to be reading and be gisting with your friends. Do you understand? You need to be focused because you're talking about your success here. That was number two. But then number three, which is very important, before you study, always say words of affirmation to yourself. Now, one of the main reasons why a lot of students don't actually do well in JAM examination or any examination at all, any endeavor, is because they have a self negative talk. Most students don't believe in themselves. Most students don't believe they can score 300 JAM. Do you understand? Most students don't actually, they have not convinced themselves that they are capable of scoring 300 JAM. Do you understand? So that is why you need to break that self-limiting belief. But how do you do that? You need positive affirmation. Now, what is positive affirmation? Now, before you read, before you start your session of reading, always say positive words affirmation. Now, say the things that you want to achieve into into yourself. Like, say the things you want to achieve. If, for example, now you are not that too brilliant, now I want to be brilliant, you tell yourself that I am a brilliant student. I read and understand. Just and these are ways of affirmation. Where affirmation contain the goal you want to achieve. Now you tell yourself that I am a brilliant student, I am an intelligent student, I read, understand. I score 350 in the upcoming JAM examination. Just and I can achieve whatsoever my mind can conceive. Now, look at something here. Once you are saying these ways of affirmation, you have to believe it. Now, when you say I am the most intelligent student. I read and I understand. I score physics in JAM 90. I score chemistry in JAM 90. I score mathematics in JAM 90. These are positive affirmation. Now, when you're seeing this here, just believe in yourself. Just have that self confidence that you are going to get those things. As a matter of fact, close your eye and imagine yourself getting that stuff here. One of the easiest way to attract what you want is by feeling that feeling of you already achieving what you want to achieve. What does it feel? What does it feel? How will you feel when you actually get the kind of result you are looking for? Will you be happy or will you be sad? Do you understand? On that thing, I want to do here is that remove negative emotions from your mind. What are the negative emotions? Fear, anger, jealousy, hatred, just and resentment, like all those positive, all those negative affirmation, always remove it from your mind because if you are harboring any negative emotion, it's going to hinder you to get the kind of results you want. Do you understand? Hope you are getting what I'm saying here. Remove all those negative emotions from your heart. Let your mind be free. Don't be scared of anything. Don't be scared of the exam. Most students are so afraid that the word jam terrify them. Do you understand? Always say to yourself that I conquered jam. Do you understand? I am a very brilliant student. I scored 300 in jam. I read and understand. Jam is a simple exam. Always say this to yourself. Now say this to yourself before you go to your study. I want to see massive results in your study. Now always tell yourself that you are a brilliant student, you are an intelligent student. Always say to yourself that just always say that you understand chemistry, physics, biology, English, and the rest. Always say those things to yourself. It's very important. The last one, trust in the process. Believe in yourself. Trust in the process. Now, when you start the 30 days reading challenge, you may not be seeing results at the first time. Do you understand? It's normal. Now, you have to trust the process. You have to trust the process. You have to know that what you are doing now is going to contribute to your success. You have to call the law of accumulation. Now, everything you do every single day accumulates. That will give you your success. Do you understand? So every reading counts. Every really count. Everything you do count towards achieving the kind of life you want as a student, towards achieving your goals and targets as a student. Just believe yourself. Always tell yourself that no matter what, I will do well in your upcoming jam. No matter what, just believe in yourself. Now, ask yourself, those students that scored 300 and above in jam, do they have two heads? No. Now, one of the proof that something can be done is when somebody have already done it before. Now, how come am I good in creating content like this? Before, let me say a year ago, I was not good like this. But I keep on believing myself. I keep on telling myself that I can do it. I know how to do it. Just and I force myself to do it. It's not convenient. Just as a matter of fact, what will get you to where you want, those things are not convenient at all. But you have to force yourself to do it. You have to remove yourself from your comfort zone. Just and it's going to be of help to you. Now, for those of you who want to join our Jam online class, understand? No, our Jam online class will kick off on the 6th of January. That is on Monday. So if you're not part of the class, you are missing a lot. Just imagine you are part of the class and you're taking part in 30 days release challenge. It's going to be massive help for you. Imagine I'm the one taking you every single day on maths, chemistry, physics. Imagine I'm the one taking you every single day. Imagine I'm the one instructing you to do this, do that, shaking you up. Imagine what you stand to gain. Do you understand? So if you want to join my online class, now is 8,000 naira every single month. The class is 8,000 naira every single month. However, if you want to join the class now, you can pay 5,000 naira. Just and so send me a DM if you want to be part of what our 30 days. If you want to be part of what our private online class. Just and if you have any question, leave my comment section and I will respond to each of your questions that you're asking. Just and send me a DM now. My WhatsApp is on the screen. My WhatsApp number is on the screen, so I can make payment and join the private online class.